Guys, in today's video we're going to be having a look at BTC USD Bitcoin CELER network, how we can break from this cup and handle pattern that we have right here going on, and as well as MATIC. Guys, they're both layer 2 options, layer 2 protocols that are supposed to help Ethereum. We currently have this nice little rejection right here. So let's start off with Bitcoin first of all. Bitcoin on the RSI, we still have this nice little bearish divergence right here. As you guys can see, we got the RSI coming down, Bitcoin in the charts going up. So that is a hidden bearish divergence. Another thing is we do have this nice little support right here, or resistance. It was a resistance that flipped support, so now we're just floating around here. Look at that, we peaked right here 1 and 2, and then we have this nice little base right here. So we're currently floating here for now. As you know, don't start to take any shorts, because the trend is your friend until it bends. As you guys can see right here, we are still in an uptrend, so no reason why we should be going short. Another thing is we shouldn't be going short because we are still above the EMA ribbon, and ever since we've been above, we had 2 little touches right here, so things are looking pretty good. Let's have a look at the shorter time frame real quick. On the shorter time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, we came back, retested the 50 moving average, so things are looking very nicely. Pretty good in my opinion. We are having a rejection right here on the 50 moving average, so let's take that out. A bounce to the upside would be pretty good, so I wouldn't be surprised if we go see a nice if we go back to the high 50,000s by the end of today, because look at that nice little rejection on the 4 hour time frame. Nothing too crazy. We could of course always come back down to 47,000, but as of now we do have this nice little support right here on the 4 hour time frame. So not only do we have this support, this resistance that flips support, but we also have this right here. So things are looking pretty good. Diving into CELER network, guys, why do I want to look at CELER network? Well, on the daily time frame we are actually seeing an inverted or a regular cup and handle pattern right now. So if I take this right here and put it at the neckline, okay, which is right here, we are seeing this nice little cup and handle, which I'm going to draw for you guys right now. This would be the cup, and essentially the handle right here, this nice little V. Okay, now how do you measure a cup and handle target? Well, you will take it from the bottom of the cup, which is right here, to the top of the neckline, and then put it at the breakout. So our target for CELER network could approximately be to 8 cents, which is very good gains. Now assuming you're using 2x leverage or 3x, guys, that could be up to 160%. Now 3x is fairly fair to play with, I would say. Guys, by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research and due diligence, and always your risk management is on you. So make sure you put those stop losses, of course, and 55%, that's without leverage, of course. Now assuming you're using 2x, that's 110% gain, guys. 2x is fair, it's fantastic, and it's great. Another thing real quick on CELER network is, of course, we broke out of this trend line, which was right here. This is just a little refresh memory. This was the trend line to the downside, and we finally broke it at the beginning of the month. So things are looking fantastic right now. Having a look at MATIC network. MATIC network, guys, same thing, except we didn't have a nice little cup and handle, but we are seeing a slight little head and shoulder pattern. A lot of people won't call this a head and shoulder, but at the end of the day, we do have a right shoulder, a head, and a left shoulder. This is inverted, of course. It's not the best looking head and shoulder, guys, but it does the job at the end of the day, hopefully. How would we target this target, or measure the target? We would take this bottom of the neckline, of course, same thing, and our target would be 2.56. Now what's interesting about this target is that it meets exactly with our previous resistance right here. So things are actually looking pretty interesting that it actually meets with our previous resistance. We could perhaps do a double top. Having a look at the exponential moving average on MATIC network. So we had this nice little bounce a few days ago on August 19th, came back up, popped back up, and now we are currently retesting that resistance right here. Nothing too crazy on the daily time frame. Let's have a look on the shorter time frame right now. Nothing too much to see over here. On the 1 hour, we are below the 50 moving average, so we could perhaps go as low as $1.49. On the EMA ribbon right now, we are retesting. Now, can we go back and retest? Can the EMA ribbon essentially hold MATIC network Polygon to this at this level, or we will continue dropping down essentially to 150, 149? That was my target in the other one. So we're gonna have to see, of course, if Bitcoin dumps, the whole market will dump. And I'm not saying, at the end of the day, Bitcoin does control the market. This is why I always start off with Bitcoin, and we are seeing a nice little rejection right now, so things are looking pretty fantastic. Bitcoin dominance real quick, guys. I just want to have a look at the Bitcoin dominance right now. On the Bitcoin dominance, still going down. A lot of money is flowing into the altcoins. We saw a nice little consolidation over here, so we saw more money flowing into Bitcoin. But guys, altcoins are still in control in my opinion. We will see the Bitcoin dominance fall down to 40. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.